Hey guys, this is Raptor from Raptor, and today we are doing an unboxing of a bumper kit. So as you can see that we have unboxed the Raptor bumper kit. We've dismantled the bonnet of the vehicle, the bumper, and as well as the two fenders you can see over here. This is a very long project. It's going to take us about 5 days to complete. We'll show you a quick glimpse of the project. So right before the bumper kit installation, what we've done is that we've installed these Composer tires and a 20-inch alloy wheels by Fuel on this vehicle, and these are looking amazing. These look bomb. You can see the side profile from right here. How much the tires are popping out. This car is going to look like an absolute monster. We are going to show you more about this, and the end result will be shown at the Madhapur outlet very soon.
This is Hyderabad's first Raptor kit.
Yes, this is Hyderabad's first Raptor kit. Doing the wrap on the Raptor bumper kit. This car was initially pearl white finish, the complete finish, and now you can look at this finish of this. This is a very special color. It's a newly launched color. It's called the Satin Nero. It is not satin black, but it is not even grey. It is something in the middle that will give you a grey-like effect in the daylight, and the night will look completely black. Almost this side has been completed. You can see the fender is done, the doors are done. Moving on, the bonnet is done. This car is going to be ready in about the next 18 hours, and we'll be showing you the full results of this vehicle very soon. So quick update on the Raptor project. The Raptor bumper kit is all ready and it is completely wrapped also. Have a look at it. So the complete car has been wrapped in Satin Nero. As you can see, the finish of it is amazing. In the dark it looks like satin black, but when you come to the light side it starts looking completely grey. The complete fender of the car, the bonnet, the bumper, the headlights are completely remodeled and completely rechanged. This bumper kit makes it look like an international vehicle. Really looks superb. At the back we've also done one thing, that we've blacked out the tail lamp. As you can see, this blackout effect gives a very nice finish to the complete vehicle. Coming to the amazing monster, this monster could not be completed without these massive tires and massive wheels. These are Fuel wheels. These are about 20 inches wheels, and they look amazing on this. They finished the car completely. Because of the arches and the wide body kit, this was a necessary thing to do in the car. Coming to my favorite bit of the vehicle are the massive headlights, man. Just look at the size of the headlights. These are matrix completely DRLs. They come with two projector lamps as well as the fog lamp, which makes that beefed up look completely natural. So you saw the before of the vehicle, and now you've experienced the after of the vehicle. This was a complete transformation. The complete cost of the project is close to 6 lakh rupees, and this absolutely looks worth it. If you want this kit, you can DM and call us at Raptor. And to support us in our channel journey, please like, share and subscribe our content so that we bring you more such content and more such new car accessories that we're doing. Stay tuned.